I'm coming to you today, humbly, with 24 hours of hindsight, driving for Uber Eats here in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Now, the kicker is I went for a bonus that I've never gone for before. So I'm going to take you through this entire shift here. I'm going to come back in the video to talk to you about this because there was a moment where I thought that Uber Eats might not even give me this bonus. There were some problems here. So let's get into the shift. Good morning. It is a 6:45 in the morning here in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and I am trying to hit a consecutive trip bonus for, I think it's $17 for a 3-ride series. So this is new. I haven't really done this before. I do want to go over kind of the limitations of what this bonus is. Here's why I think I haven't done this before. It has to be exactly consecutive trips. So I can really only pick and choose my first trip because the remaining two, doesn't matter where it's going, how much it is, I have to accept it to complete a 3-series trip. Now, I guess if it's super bad, I could decline it because I just need a 3-trip series starting from 6 a.m. until 8 a.m. It has to start the series. So let's say it's 7 now. I have an hour to really start that trip series. So let's accept our first trip and try to complete the series. So first order here, it's kind of what I was expecting, right? It's the breakfast spot. Not much else is open here early in the morning. So this one, $10.09, it's from Starbucks, is 11.1 miles. Now remember, I can be picky on the first order. Now after that, I have to accept, without question, the next 2 order requests. So I actually declined this one. I need to get a better dollars to mile ratio. So knowing that, I actually accepted this one. This is $14.18, a much better dollars to mile ratio. It's how much am I getting paid for the miles driven. And really, moreover than that, kind of a problem that we've been seeing on Uber Eats here, it's not being able to zoom in and zoom out like other food delivery apps. So this one, I can actually see the entire route on this order request. And then something else really interesting here, check it out. It is a stacked order. It's 2 assignments here. So since I do have to do a 3-trip consecutive series, right, I'm thinking I also want to accept this one because I assume this should knock out the first 2 trips. Okay, had some waiting. Now it is 7:25. Now I assumed what is going to be open this early. It's just breakfast spots, right? So I was actually driving to a nearby Starbucks, trying to increase the chances of basically getting a sign and getting pulled from that Starbucks. So first order request, actually a stacked order as you saw. The first pickup from Wendy's. Now, I mean, this Wendy's is always slammed. The drive-thru wasn't bad. I mean, it's early, but the food's not ready. So I'm sitting here waiting. Do value your time. Make sure to mark order is not ready. Is it going to do anything? Possibly as far as algorithms, assigning future drivers, but if it's not ready, mark it in the app. So I did the pickup from Wendy's. The wait was decent. It actually wasn't too bad here. So pickup number 2, this is on that stacked order. This is at Panera. Now, I actually would like to see both restaurant locations in the order request because remember, I can see it's a stacked order, but I couldn't see that the second pickup was at Panera. Now, that's fine, but I would like that info. Let me know down below in the comments if you feel the same way. And our delivery confirmation screen hack, and make sure you're doing this. It's taking a picture, making the delivery, again, the confirmation picture here to the customer, but keep your hot and cold bag in the picture as well. Okay, success. So we can see here 1 of 3 trips completed for that $17 extra for the 3 consecutive trips. So off to delivery number 2, and again, we'll do the delivery confirmation screen hack here. Okay, nice. Delivery number 2, we can see here 2 of 3 completed. Sounds good. Okay, so pretty seamless, right? A little bit of a wait at Wendy's, but again, it wasn't too bad here. So number 1 is done. Number 2 is done. So next order request. The next request that, again, I have to accept to get the streak here. So this one, $12.42. It's actually a stacked order. Doesn't really matter. I just want that 1 additional order. This one at Subway for the first pickup. So pay attention to this. This is where the problems really started. So I accepted this order, and then this happened. So 0 of 3 trips completed for $17 extra. I kid you not, the panic and the worry that I had here as I saw this 0 out of 3 trips completed. I already did 2 trips here. I want to knock out this streak. I want to get this bonus. And it says this. It says 0 completed. Is this new? I don't know. I've never gone for a consecutive trip series here, but it's very clear. Now, here's something I need to tell you. Kind of a warning sign, more so a protection measure. If you see anything like this, have your phone ready with you. You need to screen record, screenshot this. You need to document this before it goes away. And even the screens prior, screenshot. If there's high paying orders, if there's high paying bonuses, always screenshot. That's another tip for you. It's protect yourself for app glitches, because if you do need to reach out to support, if you have the documentation, it's clear as day, hey, this is what you told me. Oh, but don't worry, the problems don't stop there. Let's go to the first pickup. So the first pickup, it's here. It's at Burger King in the South Side here in Pittsburgh. And again, this is my last trip. This is the 3rd trip in the streak. Now, it's a stacked order, right? But this is the 3rd trip in the streak here. So I get there and it's closed. The restaurant was closed. And I had another customer tell me this as he was leaving. Now, what is the problem with this? Now, you may be thinking, well, you have a stacked order here. You can just complete the other delivery in that stacked order, which is fine. But I had to actually sat here for a while thinking, okay, I'm going to cancel this order. I'm going to mark that the restaurant is closed, but is this going to break my streak? So I was sitting there for a while, and now you can call support. We can see the option here. Now I'm going to click on restaurant is closed. It's not my fault. There's nothing I did. It's the restaurant's closed. I can't make that delivery here. So with some hesitation, let's cancel this delivery. Okay, canceled. Nothing in the app that's telling me I'm still okay. There's no status here. So the next pickup, I guess, in this stacked request, which is just now 1 order, it's at Subway. Let's go make this and hopefully get that bonus after. Okay, so pickup at the Subway, it's fine. The drop off for the customer, it's fine. And then what happened? I'm gonna give you a second here. Do you think I got the bonus? Do you think I didn't get the bonus? Was it a glitch? Was it marked as something that I did? Was there just something in the Uber app that just broke this streak here? What do you think? Comment below. Did I get the bonus? Did I have to start an entirely new streak? Let me know. So it turns out after that first stacked order, a second stacked order, the restaurant that was closed, happily, I got the bonus. And I kid you not, the level of stress that I had at that Burger King was now an equal amount of absolute relief that I saw this screenshot for a $17 consecutive trip bonus. And then another screen here, thankfully, and again, screenshot, just document, but we can see here, complete 3 consecutive trips. First delivery, 7:10 a.m. Second delivery, 7:11, because it was again that stacked order. And then third delivery, 7:47. So after all that frustration, multiple problems, getting up early and going for this consecutive streak bonus, was it worth it? And I guess even the better question, was it more profitable than just generally driving during busy times and capitalizing on those normal bonuses? So let's take a look at the numbers. So this early morning streak bonus mini shift was from 7 a.m. until 8:30 a.m. And with the tips, with the consecutive trip bonus, my total gross revenue was $37.06. That equals a gross revenue per hour of $24.71. Now, a note about that. Let's answer that question about profitability. Generally, if I'm driving during the dinner rush here in Pittsburgh, and really the same thing when I drove in San Diego, California, $24, $25 for the dinner rush, I think that's pretty strong. It's strong and it's about even with that normal driving. So no, I wouldn't say that this bonus really caused me to be more profitable than normal. So for this morning shift, again, 3 deliveries, I received 2 tips and a less than average tip average of $2.24. Short business miles here, which was nice at 13.2. for a payout of $2.81 per mile. So verdict, would I try this again? Maybe, I don't know. I mean, it was a super early AM shift. Now, that could be good because there was less traffic. So if your marketplace has the breakfast spots, the McDonald's, the Starbucks, etc., then that's where I'd wait. But solely looking at the numbers, at least just for this example here, again, what, close to $25 an hour, I can make that during the dinner rush on normal surge bonuses here. And I guess not have to sweat taking the series bonus and really picking and choosing my exact orders. But on the other hand, again, $2.81 payout per mile, that's very strong. I mean, this year, right now, I really want you to aim for $1.75 payout per mile. So $2.81, still very strong. So let me know your verdict down below in the comments. The consecutive trip bonus, really unique to Uber Eats. No one else is really doing this, where it has to be order number 1, 2, 3 in a row here. So is it worth it? Let us know down below in the comments. And if you got value in this video, definitely drop me a like. And you can also click or tap the screen here for my newest video, as well as a video recommended for you. And I'll see you in the next one.